Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Your love shines in my heart as the sun that shines upon the earth. There's no committee deciding who the best husband is, but I've decided it's you. I hope my love lifts your soul as yours does mine. The destination is not all that matters. I consider my journey with you the best part of my life. Dear husband, after all these years together, you still take my breath away. I feel lucky and blessed to be able to call you my husband. You're number one in my heart, in my soul, in my life. I don't care how hard being together is. Nothing is worse than being apart. Loving you makes me alive. Thank you. I will never get tired of letting you know that I love you. You're that part of me I'll always need. I know you, and I can openly say how love looks like. I fell for you, and I'm still falling. I always feel like our love is as new as the first day that I fell in love with you. You make my heart melt and fill it with love. An excellent wife is the crown of her husband. From the bottom of my heart to the top, it's filled with love for you. If a hug represented how much I loved you, I would hold you in my arms forever. You fill all the emptiness in my heart. Trying to explain how much I love my husband is like trying to count the stars. You can try, but it's impossible. I thought a husband should make me feel loved, but you've proven husbands are so much more than that. In all the times that I feel sad and bad, whenever I need support and survival, you are always there. The most wonderful thing I decided to was to share my body and soul, and life and heart with you. No relationship is ever perfect, and I know I'm far from perfect, but as long as you're willing to try, I'm willing to stay through anything.